Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How you all doing? Hope you're doing great. And as you saw title, today's video is all about makeup. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, keep on watching. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. So let's start it. First of all, clean your face with a face towel or tissue, and then I applied sunscreen is SPF 60. It works amazing, and I don't use moisturizer before that. I just apply SPF, and it works as moisturizer as well. It protects you from sunburns, and it gives you matte finish. Overall, it's a good sunscreen. And next step is primer. Here I am using L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Base. You just need a one drop of it and rub it in your fingers and apply it on your skin. I have a combination skin, and it works amazing for me. I'm using it from last 2 years. I think now you have to wait for 5 minutes at least before applying foundation, because primer takes time to get set. And the next step is the foundation. Here I'm using Fit Me from Maybelline. It's a matte plus poreless foundation and works great for normal to oily skin. My shade is 128. Now take 2 to 3 drops of foundation and rub it in your fingers and apply it on your skin. You can use brush or sponge, whatever you want, but fingers work great for me, so I usually do my makeup with fingers. And this foundation is super duper light. It doesn't put much weight on your skin, and if you need full coverage, then you can apply it again as a second coat. So I don't need much. I just applied one coat and it's done. Next step is concealer. Here I'm using concealer from Revolution London. It's a conceal and define. Apply it on under your eyes and bridge of your nose, chin or forehead. Wherever you want to highlight your face, just apply it. I usually cover my dark circle with it, and here you can see it concealed really nicely. And if any leftover on your finger, just apply it on eyelids and it's done. So here I'm using blush on. It's from Maybelline. Apply it, and you can see it's nice shade, peachy and pinkish. This blush on looks good, but it gets melted in summer, so I'm gonna use this powder blush. It's from Revolution, and apply it where you applied blush on, apples of your cheeks, and look how glowy it looks. So next step is kajal. I am big fan of kajal. I don't use much of eyeliner, but on my everyday basis I use kajal. So here I'm using Kohal pencil from Maybelline, and this one you just need one coat and it's done. Now here I'm using eyebrow pencil. I don't need that, but I have a cut on my eyebrow, that's why I have to fill it in. So here I'm using spoolie, and after that I'm applying this pencil on my cut. And as I told you guys, I don't need, because I have a bushy eyebrows, so I just cover my cut with this pencil. And here I forgot to apply lip balm, which I had to apply before starting makeup. So now I'm applying it, and it keeps your lips hydrated. And next step is mascara, and this is my favorite mascara. It's from Essence. You just need one coat, guys, and look at this. It works amazing. Don't forget to adding it on to your lower lashes as well. Everything is coming together now, and now it's time for lipstick. Here I'm using Velvet Passion from Kiko Milano, and this is a perfect shade for everyday makeup, but unfortunately it didn't work for me, so I applied another shade on top of it. It's a Pink Pigeon from MAC. It's a bright pink color. So I applied these two lipsticks together and these came out perfect. So finally it's time for a setting spray, because in summer you have to set your makeup, otherwise it just melt away in seconds. So I applied this setting spray. It's from Revolution London, and I forgot to apply this highlighter in my inner corners, and that's what I'm applying now. So finally the look is done, and that, you guys, is my everyday kinda go-to look, and this is how it looks in the sun. I went outside and took this shot. It's look natural and nice kind of makeup. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.